Hello everyone, I'm Upasana and in today's video we have this very interesting Maths Olympiad question. If you see this question, we have four variables here. We have A, B, C and D, right? And we are given four equations as well, right? So that means we need to find the value of A, B, C, D by solving these equations. Now it seems little bit tricky because we need to solve equations where we cannot like cancel out terms, right? So what we will try to do first, we will try to convert these four equations in two variables. Okay, if I say this is equation 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, so equation 1 implies that C is equal to A plus B by 10, right? So we know what is C? A plus B by 10. Similarly, if we look at equation number 2, this implies AB by minus 11 is equal to D, right? So that means D is equal to AB by minus 11, or you can say minus AB by 11, right? So now we know the value of C and D. What will I do now? I will substitute the value of C and D in equation 3. Okay. So let us see what do we get. So equation 3 says that C, right, plus D. Plus D means D is minus AB by 11. So I can write this only is equal to 10A, right? Okay. And now I will try to solve this equation. Okay. So we have A plus B by 10 minus AB by 11 is equal to 10A. On the left hand side, I will take LCM. Okay. And here we will get 11 times A plus B minus 10AB is equal to 10A. And eventually when we open this bracket, this 110 will go to right hand side and it will become 1100A, right? Okay. Now I will bring everything on the left hand side. We get this, right? Okay, which implies 11B minus 10AB. If I solve this 11A and 1100A, what will I get? I will get minus 1089A is equal to 0. Okay, or you can rearrange it and you can write plus 1089A minus 11B is equal to 0. This is our equation which we will use later, right? Okay, now what will we do? We will again look at C and D, and now we have equation number 4, right? Now I will put the value of C and D in equation number 4. So I will write, put the value of C and D in equation number 4, right? What is C? C is A plus B by 10 times what is D? D is minus of AB by 11 is equal to minus 11B. This was equation number 4, right? So we have substituted the value of C and D. Now what will I do? I will try to solve this equation now. Okay, if we multiply the numerator, we get, here we have A plus B, right? AB times A plus B is equal to, this denominator we will take on the right hand side. It will become minus of 1210B, right? Okay, now we can cancel out the negative sign. Here we have AB, in bracket we have A plus B is equal to 1210B, and now dividing both sides with B as well. Okay, so what we will get? A times a plus b is equal to 1210. And what do we get now? We get a square plus ab is equal to 1210, and which implies ab is equal to 1210 minus a square. So now we have two equations. One is, we say, equation number 5, and one this is, we say, equation number 6. Okay. Now we need to bring these equations in one variable. And how can we do that? So I will do that thing here. So if we look at equation number 5, I will write from 5. What can we do? We can write 10ab minus 11b here, and we can take 1089a to the right hand side. Okay. And if I take b common, I will get 10a minus 11 is equal to minus of 1089a, right? And this implies b is equal to minus of 1089a by 10a minus 11. So we finally got the value of b. What can we do now? We can substitute this value of b in equation number 6. Okay. Substitute the value of b. Okay. So a times minus of 1089a divided by 10a minus 11 is equal to 1210 minus a square, right? This is getting a little bit tricky now. What will we do? We will try to solve this here. A times, this is, what can we do? We can keep this here 1089a and take the denominator to the right hand side. So it will become 1210 minus a square, and in bracket 10a minus 11. Okay. So this is minus 1089 a square is equal to, we will multiply these brackets. Okay. 1 to this first term times this, it is 12100a, right? Minus 10a cube. If you multiply this with this, you will get 13310 and plus 11a square, right? Okay. So what do we have now? This equation we will rearrange and solve whatever we can. Like we can solve a square and a square term. Okay. So what will we get? I will bring everything on the left hand side. 10a cube. Okay. Minus, this will become minus 1100a square, right? Minus 12100a plus 13310 equal to 0. And as we can see, we can take 10 common from all the terms, and it will become a cube minus 110a square minus 1210a plus 1331 is equal to 0. Now you look at it carefully, that this equation is a cubic equation. And you know what? Here if you see, you have 11, right? And you know what? 1 to 1 is what? 11 square. And 1331 is 11 cube. So I think we are getting to something now. Let's see what do we get here. First solution I will find by trial and error. Okay. So if I solve this here, a is what? If I solve this here, a, if I put 11, what will I get? This will become 11 cube, that is 1331, minus if I put 11 here, it will become 12100 a square, right? Because a square is 11 square, it will become 1 to 1, so it will become 13310, right? And then if I again put here, it will become 13310a plus 1331. A square is not here now and a is not here now. So this. So if we solve this, we don't get 0. So that means a is equal to 11 is not a solution. Now we will try with a is equal to minus 11. Okay. So what is a equal to minus 11? Here if I substitute, it will become minus 11 cube minus 110 times minus 11 square minus 1210 times minus 11 plus 1331, right? This is minus of 1331, right? This is this will become positive, and this is 13310, and this will become positive 13310. This is right, plus 1331. Now if we look at this, we get everything cancelled out. That means a equal to minus 11 is the required solution. You can get other solutions as well, but that will not be real. So what can we do now? We know a is minus 11. We will find b here. Okay, what is b now? B will be equal to minus 1089 times minus 11 divided by 10 times minus 11 is minus 110 minus 11, right? And this is, if you solve it, you will get minus 99. Multiply and solve. Okay, and then after that we will calculate c. We will go above here. And what is c now? C is equal to a plus b. What was a? A was minus 11. B is minus 99 by 10, right? So what do you get here? Minus 110 by 10. So C is equal to minus 11, right? Okay, and what is D? D is equal to AB by minus 11. What is A now? A is minus 11. B is minus 99 by minus 11. So D is also minus 99, right? So we got all the values A, B, C and D, and I hope you understood this. This was a little bit tricky, but we could get this by converting into two variables and then one variable finally. If you understand this, do visit my channel and subscribe for more such videos. We have Maths Olympiad questions, we have short tricks on our channel, we have concepts. So do visit and share your reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.